Okay, so this is what we're going to do. The last video we did factoring trinomial when a was equal to 1. Now we're going to do it when a is not equal to 1, okay? Remember, a is this coefficient right here in the front, all right? So there's two ways for you to do this, okay? If you're okay with factoring by grouping and the factoring when the trinomial when a is equal to 1, you pretty much got everything done to do the AC method, okay? And I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to use the AC method and I'm going to use the bottoms up, okay? I like the AC method because it's got two built-in checks in it. The bottoms up doesn't. So, but you're doing everything the same. And what I'm going to use is I'm going to use 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. Okay, so here's my trinomial. That's not 1, so we're going to use the AC method. Okay, and this is in the material I posted on Canvas also. Okay, as a document. So 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, B here is 9. List all those factors that are going to multiply and give you 18. So 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Okay? Remember, this is positive, so that's telling you they got the same sign. This is positive, so that's telling you they're both positive. Okay? So which one of these adds up to 9? Well, this one here, okay? So 3 times 6 gives you 18, 3 plus 6 gives you 9, so that's what I'm going to use. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use factoring by grouping. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. I'm going to replace this one term here with two terms, those two guys. Okay, so 2x squared plus 3x plus 6x plus 9. Now, it doesn't matter whether I put 6x and 3x or 3x and 6x, it's going to work out the same. So now I've got 4 terms. Now, you already know how to do that, okay, because that's just factoring by grouping. So you factor out x, okay? That's going to leave you with 2x plus 3. Remember, put your x out in the front, what you're factoring out. I'm going to factor out 3. So put plus 3, that's going to leave me with 2x plus 3, okay? These two guys are the same, okay? And when you look at these two, these are your two checks. Do these add up to that? Yeah. Are these two guys the same? Yeah. Okay, so you know you've done it right. So now you just factor out 2x plus 3, and that's going to leave you with x plus 3 left behind, and you're done, okay? Now, the other way to do this is to use the bottoms up method. Okay, and so to do that, I'm going to do the same thing, but now what I'm going to do, instead of replacing this with these two terms, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put x plus 3 and x plus 6. Okay, now I'm going to divide this by 2 and divide that by 2. Okay. Does 2 go into 3? No. Can I reduce it? No. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this guy and I'm going to put it right there in the front. 2x plus 3. Okay? Does 2 go into 6? Yeah. Goes in there 3 times. Okay? And you're done. Now, this seems like a lot easier, and it is. I mean, it's a lot quicker. The only thing is that there's no check in here. Okay? So the only way for you to know that you did it right is to really just multiply it back through and check it, okay? So this one I'm more confident that you'll get the right answer, but like I say, this one is really quick, but be careful with it if you're going to do it that way, because if you pick the wrong pair, it ain't going to come out well, okay? All right, thanks. Good luck.